So now, as our next lecture, we are going to see how you can visit some markets on the dark web. By opening that hidden week, as you see, when you come here, we have commercial services. With commercial services, we have many markets. We have gun dark markets where you can buy guns and some illegal things. We have football money where you can buy some features, and we also have darknet services where you can buy some hackers to do a job for you, but you have to be aware of that things. So now let's try to visit one market here and see how it really works and how it look like. So now let's try to visit one market. Let's try to visit one market, like let's visit like this one, Apple Palace, where you can find some Apple product for low price. As you can see, the onion what is invalid. They have broken it. So now let's see here. Let's see this one. If it will open. So here, some site goes down for some purpose. Some site government takes down because they do illegal things. So when you are in a way to explore the dark web, you have to be aware of illegal things, because in this part of the internet there are a lot of scammers. There are a lot of bad people which can steal your money, which can give you the virus and harm your computer. So you can use it for regular purpose. For example, if you want to do your things in privacy without someone to track you, if you want to navigate through some site without someone to know what you are doing. But as I told you, don't do regular things using this part of the internet. As you can see, this is the market. Here we have some goods. We have, as you can see, you have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G for 550 bucks. So as you can see, we have also iPhone 13 Pro for 450, which is amazing. So with this part of you can buy, as you can see, they sell some electronic devices. So you can buy smartphone for cheap prices. You can buy gold mask, eBay. So you can buy graphic cards. Let's see, laptops. Let's see. Click here on the item, laptops. Let's see. Or you can buy like laptops. As you can see, we have Apple Pro 13-inch for 650. We have some Apple MacBook for 1,000. So they have many things, but what you have to be careful is that 90% of these things on the dark web, they are scammers, so they can scam you. So you have to be aware of using these these illegal things where you are. Let's visit another market and see what is going on. Like this one. Let's visit this one and we see what is going on. Okay. Let's see. So here on the dark web, many people get scammed because the people here protect you, that they say they tell you that they can give you something, but they can't. As you can see here, they told the illegal hacking services, black hackers. So here also you can lose also your identities if you want to go here on this site. You can lose some identities. As you can see, the cap of copies, complete IDs, you see. So here, if you want to explore these sites, go it on your own risk, because here you can lose everything. You can lose your money and you can lose your things. So our next lecture, we see how you can create anonymous email, so that you can use it by sending anonymous emails. Like if you don't want someone to track you, so you can send emails like some emails. So now let's see how you can send, or how you can create some anonymous email, so that you can be able to send email without someone to track you. So in this previous lecture, we have covered, we have seen some dark web markets and the product which is there. But the purpose of this course is to explore the dark web, do illegal things, like if you want to navigate through some illegal sites like Facebook, but you are in a country where Facebook is banned, when you want to do your things in security. So it's the purpose of this course. So if you try to go through the process of doing illegal things on the dark web, so go there for your own risk. Some services of which is on the dark web, it's illegal. You can be scammed. You can find some people. So now let's go and see how you can create an email using this dark web. Thank you.